Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a VW Beetle here on a 2004-2005 plate. I'm just going to show you how to replace the main dip beam on this. If you could just switch the lights on for me, please. Yep. As you can see, that one there is working and this one isn't. Now you can turn the lights off. Thank you. We'll show you how it's done. All you got to remember is on this one, I'll show you on the driver's side first because it's quite an easy one. Now this is a little clip here which you need to push down and then pull the headlight, push the headlight from the back, push it forward so it can slot out. So when you lock it back up, that's locked in position. You can see right there. So that's a lock right there. Down, pull, up, that's it. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay. Now on this one, right on the back there, that's where the clip is. So it's quite hard to get to. So if I push it up and then gently, as you can see, I'm wiggle on the light. So I've got to just push it a little bit more. That's it. It's out. Now these are the little lugs. See right there, so that sort of kind of slots in. This bit there slots in the back here, and on the inside on this side, so you've got just one right there, and this slots in. All you then do is pull the headlight out, take the cover off. Jay, if you come around on this side, please. Just hold it right in that position. Thank you. Now you've got a little clip here which you need to push down, and then you got this clip here. So if you undo this and then push that out all the way. This is the bulb that we need to replace. It's the H1 bulb. I'm sure I did get it. I'm not sure where it's gone now. Right. If you just, yep, that's the one. That's the part number right there. That's the bulb you need. All you do then is take the plug out, push the spring back out. And there's only one way the bulb would go in, so the flat end will be on the outside here where you've got this little clip. Stop it. Get the new one out. Same thing again. There's only one way it would go in. If I wanted to put it the other way, it wouldn't want to slot in. And you don't want to do that because you will damage the bulb. So it goes in one way. And then push the clip back in. And then this here goes back in as well. Just remember, make sure you have the ignition off, lights are off. You don't want to sort of short circuit anything. You push this in, bring it forward, clip it in, and then we just got to slide it in first. So if we slide it in from this side, there, right there, and then from this side as well, that's it. And then push the clip down. So that same clip that on the back there, push it back down so it sort of locks in place. Now if you can see, this light's not coming out anymore. That's all you got to do. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And do check out the playlist for the V-dubs and the bulbs. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.